way to Hanoi. It's 20 past 8 in the morning. Check-in's at 2, so I've got time to kill. But just sat at a coffee shop, had some breakfast, smoking a flag. Yeah. Shit's lively. I don't know what we're going to do today. Maybe a walking tour, go to a train street. Yeah, we'll see. Voila, something people. We've landed at a hotel. Check in early, which is bloody sweet. So yeah, this is the bathroom. Simple. And yeah, done Train Street. That was fucking sick. And then we'll probably do, because this is it's a hotel and spa. So we'll we just had a little Vietnamese bag boy drop my bag off. So what was I saying? Yeah, go to the spa later. That'll be fucking sick. Get a little happy in it. No, I'm joking. Yeah, no, I can't wait. Let's see. What do they do? Oh, they got laundry as well. I need to do laundry. But I got it on my phone. Their little services, and that should be fucking sick. Little comfort day. But yeah. What's happening, boys? We're getting food now. Just had a massage. I feel like a newborn baby. Oh, that was good. Got a little buncher, a little beer as well. Does life get any better? Morning, people. It is a beautiful day here in Hanoi. Well, not that I know, I haven't actually been outside yet. I just woke up. But yeah, we're getting ready to go. What's the time even? 10 to 11, so we got to leave at 12, and then we got 7.5 hours till my motorbike tour. So get a few massages in, probably go for a bit of food and see what else there is to do. But yeah, that massage yesterday was bloody brilliant, so I'll probably got to get another one. I was feeling like a fucking contortionist after all those sleeper buses, so yeah, just paid a Vietnamese woman tenner, stretch me out, pause, massage me, and then yeah, I think we're gonna get ready to go now. Mate, I look like a bloody hermit crab. Look at this. Jesus. Yeah, we're on our way, and yeah. Also, the bed's a bit wonky. It's probably just, I don't know. Alright, we're on the bus. Long day. Alright, boys, made it to the hostel. Have to go on our loop. Got a little wristband here. You lot are leaving in 20 minutes. It's gonna be sick. Can't wait. Just getting all packed here. And yeah, on my bed for the night. I'm looking forward to it. Fuck's sake, I forgot to set some spawn point. I'm all done, boys. Back at the hostel. That was fucking nuts. Got to wait 4 hours, 3 hours. My sleeper bus, get it at 2 in the morning, that's fucking peak. But my hotel said I could check in at 2. So we're right. But yeah, that was fucking insane. My arse is on fire though. My legs are fucking sore. Got burnt. But it's whatever. For the vibes, come on. Alright boys, we made it back to Hanoi. That bus trip was so shit. Had like 4 different like changeovers. It was fucking awful. They said we'd get there at 2 in the morning. Got there at fucking 5:30. It was awful, and then yeah, couldn't check in, and it was just fucking, it was a mess. And then I rung on the house next to the hotel at like 6 in the morning, and the guy came out and started shouting at me. Yeah, we leave at 2 in the morning, so we got just over 12 hours in Hanoi, and then we got our flight to Cebu, which would be pretty sick. I'm just getting some scram now, getting a little beef stir fry and a mango smoothie. But yeah, it's fucking pissing it down. There's a massive typhoon right now, so it's lovely. I've had to whack out a raincoat. Standing boys, made it to my hotel. Fucking hell. I downgraded because that was the only one available. At this time I couldn't really be bothered to wait another like hour, so yeah, I got a single bed, but I do have a balcony, so much fags are getting smoked on there. But yeah, I can't lie, I got no sleep last night, so I'm probably gonna have a little nap and then yeah, just sort out a few things. Got my flight tomorrow, and yeah. Mate, world's smallest balcony, what the fuck? Nah, better than nothing. Little fag. Watch over the city, feel like bloody Batman, mate. Cold as fuck. Yes, boys, it's our last day in Hanoi, last day in Vietnam. The city's looking beautiful. Rain seems to have cleared, which is fucking sweet. I reckon I'm just going to sit at my hotel. I'm fucking knackered, so sit in my hotel till my flight, and then get a taxi to the airport, and then got a flight. Got a 2 flights ordeal. It's like a stopover. Go to Manila first, and then Cebu in the Philippines. So it should be fucking sweet. But nah, Vietnam would be sick. But I'm ready to leave. I think, I don't know, being by myself, I think like I've done a lot, and like a lot of the time I can't really be bothered to do much else. But yeah, Fucking sweet. Finally got a thing on the balcony. So I can have a fag. That happened to go downstairs. Yeah. Alright boys, got a little beat going. $5 o'clock. Might go to sleep after this. We'll see. Alright, we made it to the airport. 12:30 now. I'm on a flight in 2 hours. Yeah, Vietnam was sick. Hope you man enjoyed. Yeah, see you lot in Philippines. Cheers for watching. See you in a bit.